try to toot my horn on the train and see if they would toot back, but I didn't tell I was unsuccessful.